Welcome back, guys. So it's pretty dark outside, as you can see. You can't see much, but I've got a little campfire going because it's getting a lot colder now. So I got a little campfire. And I've ordered some stuff. So I'm gonna try and film it as best as I can whilst explaining it. Right, so the first thing I got was these star bits. They are only used in my car. I couldn't find it in the store, so I had to order it online, and there are a lot of different things in my Volkswagen T5 that are held in by these star bolts with 12 whatever they are. And then the second thing I bought was a riveting tool. First I was gonna screw into the metal, but there are a lot of holes in the roof, and I can use these rivets to then bolt in my subframe. First test with this riveting tool. Let's hope everything goes well. Maybe difficult to see, but the subframe of the left side is in. finally got them in, and they are pretty strong. As you can see, I've got 4 of these beams. This one is only held in by one of those bolts, and it's, as you can see, it's pretty strong. I can pull on it, it's not going anywhere. All the rest is better secured. There's also here a small one on the end to make it really strong. If I ever want to attach something here, like a small box or something, I can screw into this. The next part is to finish the sides. So the top parts, I also insulated the top part and didn't film it. I just, I forgot to record it. But now I'm gonna do the same for these sides. I'm gonna fill it in with some insulation and use one of those slats over here on the corner to make it really nice and neat. This is the only insulation I have left. Not much, so I'm probably not gonna have enough to do the doors. So there's a big chance I will order some more Armaflex with like 2 square meters or something, not much. I'm not gonna order another box. If I can do it in such a small amount, I will do it. Otherwise, maybe I'll find another insulation solution. But yeah, for now it's going fine, and almost everything is ready for the paneling of the sides. Now that almost everything of the insulation and the subframe is done, the side at the top, left side and top is done. The right side not yet, but I'm still figuring out how I'm gonna do it with the door. But here, this is a piece of tongue and groove. I bought a whole pack of 10 of these. It's 8 millimeters thick and about 240 centimeters long. It's really floppy. I hope once I get a stick, when I screw it to the wall, it's more secure. But what's the plan? The plan is to start right above the wheel, then slowly move up, and then underneath the wheel is going to be hidden away under the bed. So I'm not sure yet if I'm going to finish it with more tongue and groove or if I'm just going to leave it without anything. I'm not sure yet. Then I'm going to start at the wheel and build my way up. Battery is almost dead, but I fitted the first board just to see kind of how I'm gonna do it. Hey, it's not looking too bad, right? I mean, kind of stoked. It's like it's coming together now. Just have to remember, don't work too fast. Think about what I'm doing so I don't ruin it. Like pre-drilling all the holes, countersinking them so the screws fit really nice without ripping the wood. carpet all around here. It's not perfect, but it looks nice. And well, it hasn't